earthquake.
Well. Hi friends, and welcome back to another interesting video. If you know you didn't attend Dominate 2026, make sure you don't miss out next year, because this is the time that God is calling us women to really arise, and attending this event has really been a walk of light. I walked out nourished. I really can't explain everything here on camera, but you need to be in the room yourself and you hear from the powerful women God is using in our season. So if you are a woman and you didn't come, make sure you don't miss out next year. So this was me. I had just arrived. I was just a few minutes late because the event had already started by now, and well, I love the fact that I met new people, but I also found they are my friends, and that is us trying to take some beautiful pictures here and there. And again, this is me when the event is all done. It was such a beautiful place to be as a woman, and as I've said, you need to be in the room for you to experience what we experienced. So make sure you don't miss out next time. And so after the event, I had a chance of also going to see the vendors at the event, what they showcased. And during that, I got myself some skincare products. So I'm going to be trying them out. They are from Klaben. It's a skincare brand here in Uganda, guys, and they do such authentic products, organic products, and I've heard good things about them, and I'm so excited. I'm going to be trying out their products and I see how they'll work on my skin. If you are using products from Klaben and you are watching this video, kindly let me know, how did you find it? Have they worked for you? You can give me some little bit of review from your perspective. And yeah, I'm looking forward to using these products, and I'll be sharing with you how it has went. Also, after the event, I had to prepare dinner for my family, and I'm going to be taking you through as I do that as well. So it's about 6 p.m. in the evening, and I'm already back from the event, and I'm in the kitchen going to cook dinner for my family. And these right here are the ingredients that we are going to be using as we cook our dinner. So tonight I am going to be preparing beans and posho. That's actually one of my children's favorites, especially the boys. They love posho, which our Kenyan brothers call ugali. So let's make some ugali and some beans for dinner tonight.
You stir your tea, watch the little waves between us. You say my name like you're testing how it feels.
So as you can see, our beans are very ready, very soft, but we are not going to be cooking all of them. So I'll be packing some of it in my fridge container here, and I'll be keeping it in the fridge for cooking another time. So I'll only be cooking half of what you just saw. That's what I'm doing at the moment, and then we'll be starting the cooking immediately.
Almost said it out loud.
You walk me home, kicking at the painted arrows. You brush my head and you pull your fingers back.
I laughed too hard at a joke that wasn't funny. Anything to hide the words we always laugh. We almost said it out loud, hearts leaning over the sound of the cars in the distance.
Hi, Manuel.
Hello, mommy.
Well done.
Thank you.
And so, one other thing that has been giving me joys is seeing how much my baby has grown. Yeah, this is my baby, my firstborn, and see where we are. He's actually washing utensils. It is one of the things we are working on. We are teaching them how to do chores at home, and this gives me so much joy that when he's actually at home and not at school, he's really engaging. You can see that he really loves to help me, and that gives me so much joy as a parent. I can't wait to see how far we are going to go with our chores, and he loves it.
For my carpet is now clean. It's now clean, see?
Oh my God, letting go. If it all starts to fall, let it fall. Let it fall. I am yours. Are you mine? Here and now.
We can say it.
Say it all out loud.
We can say it.
Say it all out loud. You left your sweater on my chair, sleeves still swelling like your soap. Funny how the smallest things carry all the heavy hope. We said see you soon like it was nothing, but soon turned into miles and days. Now every quiet morning keeps calling out your name. You make little earthquakes in my steady ground, shaking all the walls I built around me. Every time I think I finally settled down, you turn up in a memory. I keep saying I'm okay, that I've moved on somehow, but my heart still slips and breaks on your little earthquakes. Your little earthquakes. I passed the cafe by your work, still know your favorite drink by heart. Barista asked me how I've been, I laugh and fall apart. I talk like I'm fine in the daytime, tell friends I found my feet again. But when the evening quiets, I feel you rush back and you make little earthquakes in my steady ground, shaking all the walls I built around me. Every time I think I finally settled down, you turn up in a memory. I keep saying I'm okay.
Well, if you've been here for long, you know we don't put so much spices in our food, and I'm only going to be adding Royco. As you can see, I'm going to be dissolving it in water and then add it to our beans. And then one other spice I'll be using is the black pepper. Yeah, because we are loving it of late. And then I'll be adding in our green peppers, and that's basically all the spices that I'll be adding in our beans.
You left your sweater on my chair, sleeves still smelling like your soap. You left you're the smallest things, carry all the heady hope. You left your sweater on my chair, you left your sweater, you left your sweater. You left your sweater on my chair, you left your sweater on my chair. You left your sweater on my chair, you left your sweater on my chair.
Bare feet on the kitchen tile. Cold cup but my hands still shake. You said you were fine, just tired. I heard every word you didn't say. Late train, watch the headlights fade. Hard pressed to window pane. How can something feel this right and tear through me like rain? I was born to love you, even when it cuts me through. Even if the sky falls down, I'll be reaching out for you. Every sky we walk through, every night I break into.
And so as we leave our beans stew to boil, I'll be washing some utensils as I as well wait for the water for making our posho, or let's call it ugali for today. Yeah, so let's do some dishes, clean up the kitchen, and then we prepare our ugali.
Just walked in, your note on the fridge half torn, back soon turning into if. Friends say I should let you go, pack up every piece of us, but how do you unknow a soul that fits you like your love? I was born to love you, even when it cuts me through. Even if the sky falls down, I'll be reaching out for you. Every sky we walk through, every night I break into. I can change 1,000 things, but I was born to love you. Maybe in another life we get it right, we get it right. But even if you walk away, you live in every side. If all that's left of you and me is learning how to lose, I'll carry all that ache and weight if it's the price of truth. 'Cause I was born to love you, even when it cuts me through. Even if the sky falls down, I'll be reaching out for you. Every sky we walk through.
Now let's make our ugali because our water is ready as well, and I'm done with the utensils. So this is where I usually put my ugali. If you've been here, yeah, you see how I usually do my restock, and this is where I usually pack it. So today I'm not going to measure, I'm going to use my eyes, and that is exactly what I'm doing at the moment.
You can change 1,000 things, but I was born to love you. I was born to love you. You can change 1,000 things, but I was born to love you. I was born to love you.
You stir your tea, watch the little waves between us. You say my name like you're testing how it feels.
I trace the steam, wish I'd memorized this moment. Every quiet breath says more than what we spill.
We almost said it out loud, hearts leaning over the sound of the rain on the window, of the clock ticking slow. We almost let it all fall right there in your tiny hall, but we smiled and we shook it off somehow.
So friends, our dinner is ready and it is time for us to serve. As you can see, the girl in the background, they are hungry. So let's serve our dinner.
We'll miss our chance for the last time.
We'll finally cross that tiny line we drew.
If I speak first, will you meet me in the middle?
If you say stay, I swear I'll say it too. Yeah.
Let's finally say it out loud. Let's lean in over the sound.
And so these are the plates for the little ones. They can't wait to eat. Yeah, I love how everything turned out. And then these ones here are the plates for us, me and my husband, the big adults. Yeah, so that's how our dinner was. I was so glad to take you along with me as I cook dinner for my family. It's always a pleasure to share these experiences with you, friends. Kindly let me know what else would you love to be watching from this platform. What would you love to watch? If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, join the community, and I'll see you all in the next video.